Yo, 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 what's going on, everybody? ProTrader Mike be in the house. Dude, you missed me yesterday. I had a film crew come to my house to do MOJO Day Trading, make some yo-yo high-tech visuals of the Mojo doing his thing. I was dancing, I was shaking, I was moving, I was grooving, I was rapping, I was chapping, I was doing the Hines. I was making money, not making money, losing money, making money, going to the team saying, dude, wow, look at that thing run. They went, nailed it. So let's head over to the Mojo room, say hello to the team, and let's get the day started. Dude, I got a webinar tonight. Be sure you check the link out below. Money making machine. That's who we are. It's what we do in the Mojo room. Money making machines. We got infinity trades in here this morning. Good morning. Hello, welcome to my chat room. Are you a day trader? This is your second and last chance to answer. Otherwise, we part friendly because I'm a friendly guy. So we part friendly. What was that noise coming in? Who? So we got Cashby in the house, Foster, Sully, Allen, OG Bo, OG Hopper, my man. OG Hopper, guys, started with Mojo in 2012. Good morning. 10 years every single day. Thank you, Hoppa. Who do we got next to him? We got OG Allen in the house. Started in 2010. My first student, my first comrade trading with in the house today. Allen be in the house. And Allen made me a video right here. Listen.
Good evening, fellow traders, and welcome to Mojo's Day Trading for a Living webinar. You're in for a real treat. You happen to stumble upon this. I know Mike for over 10 years, been trading with him every day since about 2012. It's been an unbelievable experience. Usually trade for 30 to 60 minutes and have been able to replace multiple different business incomes. I'm sorry I can't be here with you this evening, so I decided to make this quick, brief recording just to let you know that this is one of the greatest business opportunities that'll ever be presented to you, so take advantage of it. Mike's the real deal. He's one of the most knowledgeable people you'll find on the subject of markets and trading and the how and the why behind.
What happened?
The subject of markets and trading and the how and the why behind. And I'm sure there'll be a special offer at the end.
Yeah, there will be.
Take advantage of that.
Yeah, there will be.
Again, great opportunities don't come along very often.
No, they don't.
All right.
All right.
So welcome to Mojo in advance. And I look forward to seeing you in our chat room on Discord. Have a great evening and enjoy the show.
Dude, that guy's the greatest trader I've met in my whole world of life. He's beyond the big. Dude, you want a role model? You want to make some moolah? You come talk to and be in the room with Allen, dude. You be in the room with Hopper, JC, Kent, Mar, Mouse, Tugs, Walt, Brandon, Cash, Foster, Gomez, Hopper. Homer's in the house. Bender, Crispy, Wispy, Finda. Finda, you've been with me a couple of years. Finda, when did you join? What year? Dude, Solana's 93. Ethereum's back to 2,500. Nice. Solana went to like a stopping station.
2 minutes.
I was in the metaverse last night. Crypto Rich, famous Dill, the #1 crypto rapper in the world, was doing a rap concert last night in the metaverse. I was down there. It was pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. All right, let's head back over, guys, and check out the markets. See what's hot, what's not, trading like a banshee. And if you want to learn really what to do, you'll come tonight to my webinar. You're going to be like stunned and amazed of what I got going on.
1 minute.
1 minute to the open, the webinar's tonight. Register your spot, cash money machine. I'll show you step by step how to set up your own model for the biz. All right, guys, 45 seconds. What's hot in the market? We got time. All right, guys, SPY 437.90 heading into 438 Heinzing right here with a high at the high right now. So it's going to pop through and come down right there. Done. Let's look at the next. Racing every stock and putting up two, SRRA and LAZR, because those are the only hot ones I've seen. Let's go NSEC, NSEC. Let's go MDJH. Let's go ARDS. Alan, what are you looking at? GLPG. What else? Give me what?
And SEC was kind of light on volume earlier. I don't know what it's doing right now.
All right, we'll check it out. Let's look. So we got NSEC 293 right at Heinz 15 with a signal at 1524, homie. You see it? OMG.
Beauty loan.
OMG right there on that, bro. Look, that's looking good right there. Shall it move? SPY beautiful right through 438. Now it's going to come down and go the other way. Here it goes, guys. SPY drop. Here it drop. So get short the SPY right there. 438.60, excuse me. Shorted. It's 30, up 30 cents, up 40 cents. Cover right here, up 40-cent drop. 438.20. Cover right there. Good trade.
There you go.
Hold half right there under 438. Let's look for another one. Looking for another trade right here. Patience, patience.
LAZR over stopping station.
Maybe. Half size, quarter size trade.
Volume isn't crazy on it yet.
All right, there's the drop. That was the cover on I out of that trade. Let's wait for the next trade now, guys. It dropped under 438. ARDS, 8.6 million shares. Artis Pharmaceuticals right here. This holds right here. It goes right back to 211. ARDS right here at 204, 205, 206, 207. That's Skittles. Those are Skittles.
Laser setting up for Heinz here. It's looking like it might get there. It's close.
Yeah, Allen got it off 77, add 98, sell through. Actually, I'd sell half at 94, add back at 98 because he got it off 77. Look at the low of the day, 77. That's where he just bought it off of. He probably printed that low. He came on the mic and said it. Absolutely. GLPG Galapagos, 62 Heinz. What's going on with this one on 211 right here? 6182 by 90 on Galapagos NV depository shares. This one looks pretty good. There's 208 on Artis marked on my screen for you. Let's look at the SPY. What's the SPY?
ARDS was the other one I like.
438. Let's go dropping on the SPY right here at 75.80 on shorted again. Short the SPY. Risk 5 cents. That's it. 438.80 was the short. Cover 438.40. Cover half 438.30. Cover a little bit more. Beautiful short right at the top. Great job. Great 2 trades on shorting SPY with the futures. Good job. 210 on ARDS now. 211 touchy. 212 sell half for the dip back down. Done. Do that. 211 on the sell right there. Get on the ass. Let them take you. Done. Take it right there. Done right there. Look, take it right there. Sold. Seeing it. Done. Thank you. That's how it works. Good job, guys. Good trading. That's what we do. Let's fly over to the other screen. There's your 211. That was your 211 sell. Good job. Good job on the SPY. 437.75 now. It's going to bounce back up off stopping station. 437.72 to 77. There it goes. If it does, there you go, 80. It's not holding. Get out. Next. So that's what you do on a reprice. You risk like 10 cents and then reprice it, dude. If it doesn't fly up as soon as you do it, the odds on you making money are terrible. Repriced at 437.18. Stopping station. Sell it 437.50. Sell 55. Great trade. Great trade. Told you. That's how you reprice for a loss of 10 cents. Get in that back thing and make 75 cents. Sell the rest. Right here. 437.70. Sell. 437.70. Done. Beautiful, dudes. LAZR Heinz 14 for the team. That's what we do, dudes. 2 stocks today like a champion.
ARDS big signal on the ask.
Totally, dude. ARDS is big. It's big, but it's small. So that move from 205, the Skittles from 204 to 212 is the same move on a $15 stock going up 50 cents. You realize that, right? You realize that, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because on a $15 stock, you're going to buy 1,000 shares and look to make $400 on a 40-cent move. On this stock, you bought 10,000 shares at 204. It went to 212. You made $800.
Yes,
if
sir.
you bought 5,000 shares, you made $400. It was the same move. You're not going to buy 1,000 shares of a $2 stock and 1,000 shares of a $15 stock. You're going to buy 1,000 shares of a 15 and 5,000 shares of the little one, because the little one's only moving a little bit and the little one's moving a little bit bigger than that. That's how it works, guys. You need money to make money. Better have money in an account to do it. Sierra's moving. This has been a winner for 3 days in a row, Sierra Oncology.
That's our new thoroughbred this week, so she'll treat us right.
I just don't like the thinness. One price on each level is just like with a spread. It's just like it's so easy to burn you in the level 2. And people don't realize that, you know. You guys don't realize this right here. You see the level 2, there's only like one person at 80, one person at 85, one at each level right there, guys. So it's very difficult to trade because they could trick you really easy. The buyers and sellers could just disappear. But we only trade through even numbers, so they're trading it through 29 right now. Great job again.
Oh, there's
29.19, selling it right there. They just sold. See those sales right there? That's the mojo right there. 24, the 19, that's all mojo selling right there. See it? Yep. Once it goes through, it has to go past us. And if it does, we get another level on, another level on it. And if it doesn't, it's a great trade. And you can do thousands of them in a row. Over the years, and multiple ones over the days. So let's look for another one. Because once they Heinz, dude, it's like you already opened the Wonka bar, bro, and took a bite of the freaking chocolate. What are you going to go bite it again, or you're going to go rip open another Wonka bar for the golden ticket, bro. You got a freaking factory of them, man. Let's get with the plan, guys. Come on now. Let's look for the next one. I'm looking at the high-low list right now, seeing if something goes by at 90. CENO, but it's red. It's got to be green. Going by at 90. NUE. $98.40 up 5 beans. Nucor, 300,000 shares traded. Very thin, no signals. 1 all the way down. 3 is the biggest number in the level 2. Nothing going on with this puppy right here. But I do like it. But no signals telling me which way it's going. There's no action.
So like an ARDS.
Yeah. Did you see yesterday the 911 signal in the level 2 that happened in the Mojo room, dude? This is a high.
Yes.
Yeah, this is a possible Heinz trade on Gogol. GOGL.
NESC.
Yeah, Gogol right here. Look at Gogol. GOGL moving 885, 890, goes into 895. See it? Gogol taking an entry, adding 95, adding 98. We have an amazing Heinz sequence happening. This could be a full sequence. I'm looking for this. 90 entry, 95 add, 98 triple add, sell 04 to 09 half. See if we touchy. 11. We go 19 1/8, 29 1/8, 39 1/8, 44 flat. Full sequence. Mojos. That could transpire over the next 45 minutes. 45 minutes. 45 minutes for a full sequence on Gogol. If that did happen, the OG pro traders would have 10 to 50,000 shares of this stock because it'll be trading way over 1 million at that time. There's 91. SPY right here. 438.9 going through Heinz on a spike, and then it will reverse down. So there's the 439, went through right there for the Heinz. Now it's going to go back down. Told you. Went Heinz, now back down 20 cents, 25 cents, 30 cents. There you go. It's exactly how it happens. Tick for tick on the SPY. I could call it all day long. ARDS, sick pick, 214, new high, went to 220 on ARDS. Traded 12 million shares. Show me the money, dudes. And I'm doing it for my webinar, guys. Show me the monies, guys. Show me the monies, guys. Show me the money, guys. That's what I do. Absolutely, man. Got the webinar to guys. Don't miss it, man. Don't miss it. 213, 212 on that one. Lazar, great pick. GLPG, great pick. SPY, great pick. Twitter's moving through 3450. Morning, dudes. Birdlaw, good job. Alan, how much you make today? Show me the money, guys. How much you do? You too, Mousy. 4,116 today for Alan. That's pretty damn nice. Give me a subscribe to my channel. Now. How much you guys make today in the Mojo room? How come my chat ain't hooked up? Restreamio. I think it's in, where's the settings?
NSEC.
What is it? NSEC?
NSEC.
Yeah, it's moving now. Yeah, it's not doing anything really. 1550 mini. It made a little move. Very light volume. I wouldn't be looking at that one today. It's only traded 363. You can buy it, but you're not going to be able to sell it. So I would just move away from it. 525, 525 for MAR. How do I get my Restreamio set up again? Click on them in the showcase in the stream. How come? That's not set up. How come? I thought the chat would be set up. Okay, it's not. No big deal. Let me try here. Hi.
ARDS.
Yeah.
ARDS.
ARDS is moving. Yeah, 215, 216. Mouse has that one. It's probably why he hasn't put in his freaking profit. How much did Allen make today? 4,116. MAR 1,437. Nailed it. That's nice. $14,000 so far. Nice. Good job. Mouse 14,000. 219 new high on ARDS. How's the stock picks in the Mojo room? Now, most other chat rooms, you'll have 30 different picks already. We've had 3. 3. And they've all worked very beautifully. Now, other chat rooms, you'd be all over the place, dude. You would be lost. Yeah, you'd be lost. SPY short right here into the high. Just made a new high, 440.10 is going to go back under. Right here, SPY, big drop coming. Just made a new high, 440.10. You're up 50 on that right there. Gogol's moving 93, 94 now on Gogol. 93 on Gogol, dudes. 94 on Gogol. ARDS new high 222. ARDS new high 222, guys. ARDS new high 222. If you don't get involved with that, you're pretty damn silly. Rail grind on ARDS. So you got a nice chair lift up. We're about to enter rail grind on your awesome next move. And we're looking good. We're looking good. We're looking good. Rig, Mini Heinz 350, which is an oil stock. Transocean 350 mini in rail grind, and I like it. Look, 5-minute, switching to the 5-minute, just entering rail grind on rig through 350. You got the chair lift up. We're just entering the rail right through 350 mini on rig, RIG. There it is. See? RIG. Yep. I pressed the wrong button. There you go. ZYME. Zyme works. No volume. Decent volume, actually. EZPM uptrending $1.29. Flowers, 1-800-Flowers, down $6. No, thank you. Pfizer's moving on some drugs, maybe. $54 Heinz on Pfizer. PFE, Sequence into Heinz. 53, 80, 90, 98 plus. 3 buys. Twitter new high, Dow's up 534, SPY's up 47, comps up 196. Good money was made this morning on those ARDS. That was the big mover. That was the big winner today, guys, was ARDS. ARDS and SPY trading. Biggest winners today. We have a session at 10:30 for futures trading. Who's in today for futures? At 10:30. We'll do it maybe at 10:45 range, from 10:30 to 11. Who is in? Who's in on that? In the Mojo room, let me know right there. Rig going through 50. You're in, Gomez. 10:30 to 11. Done. Sharing my screen with the top step. Sharing my screen with the top step. You guys got your trade ovates get running. Got your top steps running. X-Man in the house. What's up, X-Man? Get you going on that, brother. X-Man be in the house today. What you going on? Apocalyptic Apes in the house today. Crypto Rich in the house. Crypto Troops in the house. Hartwell in the house. Max. What are you doing down there, Max? Dude, what are you doing? You have two profiles? Max, you should be up here. What happened? Dude, you'll pop in? Nice. What's going on? How you been? You was sick last time I spoke to you. Where's Max again? I just saw you, dude. How come where are you? There you are. You're ProTrader, Max, bro. Just set up a new profile or something? Done. You're a ProTrader now. Ranchy rednecks to 13-year-old kids in my room. Hey, T. Wellington's in my room. What's up, T? You see it working in beautiful favor now, brother. Give you a shout out. Hey, the mods is in my room. Pratty is in my room. And Gary V is in my room. Look. Gary V is in my room, guys. 223, new high on ARDS. 223, new high on ARDS. Fire. How come I don't have that on my Restreamio? 223, new high. Oh, Gogol. What happened to Gogol? Did you guys do anything on that? Oh, it went to 95 and dropped. All right, it's going to drop first because it's low volume. Let's see what the daily is. The daily's 2.1. Yeah, it's got another milli to go. Oh, it's been up for 4 days in a row. That's all right. Let's see, Rig. Rig went through, back down. Pfizer's even. Lazar, 73. Nice. What else we got? E-Core 70, NXTD 83, Bubbler a buck, Cry 74, Coin down 10, Matterport's 911. Okay. $373, $374 on that Lazar. Come on, guys, give me something. What's moving? Something. Today's a shitty day. You nailed 3 this week. ProTrader Allen made half my yearly salary on those picks. When my wife dumps me, I'm moving into your garage. That works. How come I can't share my chat today? I gotta reset it on the thing. Oh, I know where it is. It's on. Trying to connect the Discord to the.
We don't have any going. Lucid is dying right now, down to 31.
Yeah, we don't like things that are dying. We like things that are Heinzing.
That'll well, what I mean is that'll set up for us if it keeps that pace. It'll set up for us in the 28s.
Nice. Yeah, the for some reason it's not working, the test on that. Let's go. That didn't come in. Trying to get my thing to come on my social. But look, Gary V's in my room. You see Gary V in the room, dude? ARDS new high, guys. 227. Amazing.
I actually don't see Gary. I've
Yeah.
been looking for him.
If you go look at the under trader Prad, do you see him?
Yep, I see him now.
Nice. Yeah, see him in there, huh? It's pretty cool. Now I have 2 people worth over 100 million in my room. Maybe close to 3 now. You know, Tim Sykes, that's his biggest claim of his 20 millionaires. What about his 100 millionaire? You know, I've made
Alan
20
and
million.
Gary.
I've made 20 millionaires. Should be my pitch. I've made 20 millionaires. Are you the next? Right? I can use that. Oh, you're going to be there, Mr. Futures guy? Nice. Are you going to be on my webinar tonight? Uncle Adam and you. Can you pop in for a special guest? What about the people with $200 in the bank? What does that mean? Uncle Adam and Stock Guy. Could you be on my show tonight? On my webinar for a special guest tune in? Tell everybody what the real deal is. Hello in the mojo. What about the people with $200 in the bank? What does that mean, dude? INDO Heinz 4. Look, Indonesia Energy, but it's only got 100,000 shares. It's halting. Look. Look at that. INDO is halting. I think I'm going to get out of this Gogol. I should have sold it before, but I'm just not watching. SPY's going 440 right here. Went 441. It just took a big dump. I'm starting out 200 to 200 million on your way. I like it. That's a good outcome goal. And the process goal can get you there. It did for other people. You know, ProTrader Mouse started with 4 credit cards. Did you know that? That mouse started with 4 credit cards, dude, for $80,000. And that's how he made his money. He took out 4 credit cards for $20,000 each and took my course, which he's never done before. Never took a course ever in his life. Ever. Did you know that INDO is halting right there? It just started out. Look at that comic, guys, in the Mojo room.
And his name is John C. Your time is up, my time is now. You can't see me, my time is now. It's the franchise where I'm shining now. You can't see me, my time is now. In case you forgot or fell off, I'm still. Business, I live this, it's automatic. I win this, so you hear those horns, you finish. A soldier, and I stay under you fighting. Plus I'm storming on you chumps like I'm thunder and lightning. Ain't no way you breaking me, kid. I'm harder than nails. Plus I keep it on lock like I'm part of the jail. I'm slaughtering stale competition. I got the whole block wishing they could run with my division, but they gone fishing with no bait. Kid, your boy, hold weight. I got my soul straight. I brush your mouth like Colgate. And then
Nice, right? Yo, look at this comic, bro. I said right there, INDO's halting with 100,000 shares at 4. I'm just starting out my way. Bender says right there, 200 to 2 million on my way. And then Birdlaw comes down there on the bottom with the thing, and he says, eye on the prize, but you have to focus on building that account on the market and away from the market. Didn't he make 64,000 in Mr. Hines? Yeah, he did, brother. See that? You meet Steve before? Have you ever met Steve?
Not yet.
Listen.
Meet Steve. He really wants to make money in the stock market. He's joined a few trading sites in the past. He's tried making his own stock trades. He's pretty much lost money in nearly every one of his stock trading attempts. Then Steve discovered the MOJO Trading Academy. In a matter of days, Steve was following along with ProTrader Mike and making money. In fact, in just a few short months, Steve tripled his account balance from just the trades that he made each morning while following along in the live MOJO Trading chat room. The best part is Steve doesn't even have to spend all day making trades. As he learned in the MOJO Trading Academy, most of the action takes place in the first hour or two each morning. So now, Steve makes more each day than he did at his day job, and he's done with work by 11:30 a.m. every morning. Now Steve has time to enjoy his family, play golf, and get ready for the next day of trading and winning with Mojo.
What you think of that one, Birdlaw? You like Steve?
It's still loading for me for some reason.
Oh, really? Didn't play for you?
There it goes.
That's Simon. This is a guy came to my office, ProTrader Simon, and he made this. That's in my parking lot at the office. He's awesome, dude. Look at that. Isn't that cool? That painting he did for me right there. Look at that. I may make that my NFT. That was Simon. And I'll give you one more video. This is ProTrader Mouse interview. million?
Schreiber, aka ProTrader Mouse, in the MOJO Trading Room. He has been very successful in so many different endeavors that he's been involved in, and somehow has managed to fight, claw, and hustle his way to becoming America's newest millionaire trader, which I think is truly remarkable, especially in today's world where you're fighting with so much more big money and bigger losses and faster moving markets. So, Randy, thank you so much for coming on tonight.
Alex, thanks for the wonderful introduction. I greatly appreciate it. So I sat back and I said, well, I've got to do something. I got into real estate. One thing would lead to another, which would lead to another, and eventually I was actually a real estate developer, building speculator, hard money lender, riding the world of happy success until 2008, where everything came to a screaming crash, unbelievable halt. But it took me a number of years to dig out from the real estate crash, and my wife sat down, slapped me upside the head, and said, you've got to do something with your life, because doing what you're doing now isn't going to cut it. So I sat there and I said, all right, I'm going to take a cash advance because all my money was still tied up in real estate, and the banks weren't lending money against real estate holdings. Went to a credit card, of which I had 4 of them, and I borrowed $20,000 cash advance off each credit card. Put that into a trading account, and with my eyes open and my brain closed, I started to day trade.
That's Gary. Obviously, trading itself, for those that haven't traded before, intraday traded, it's also known as day trading, swing trading, options trading, whatever it is. Try to do it for an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. It's very intimidating. Now imagine the scenario that Randy just put us in, where really his whole life and his future was dependent on this move, taking the cash advance, which so many of us have never even dreamed of doing, to pursue something, to create a life that was more desirable. And Randy, I give you a lot of credit for doing that. But I would like to focus on what was going through your mind at that time. It was the fight or flight mentality. Obviously, we go back to psychology class many years ago when we were in that class.
It's not that simple. There's so many people that think they're going to quit the 9 to 5. They're going to be a day trader. They're going to go trade penny stocks, and they read this stuff in the news. You see the stuff in the internet, and they see dollar signs. The reality is, you don't need a degree. You don't need a college professor to help you. You need a good mentor. You need a good day trading room, which you can jump into and watch and follow. Recently, not too long ago, I was able to be introduced to MOJO Day Trading. I call the room MOJO's Day Trading. And what sets him apart from a lot of rooms, or even trying just to trade by yourself, is he'll call alerts. He says, I'm watching this. I'm buying this. I bought this. Now we're getting to a level we can sell this. And it's not someone like an analyst saying, go buy QIHU, which was given a stock alert by Barclay last week. Stock was at $92.50, and they gave it a $145 price target. Well, it closed Friday at $87.50. You know,
Okay.
Analysts are paid to give opinions. Their opinions are generally wrong.
That's incredible, because so many people do think that it's a quick, all I got to do is make 1 to 2 trades, and they heard those quote-unquote stories. That's what they are a lot of times, stories, fables, because there are very few people that did that 1-2 trades that those biotechs that ripped quickly went from penny stock status to pretty much like a Tesla type of story, where it was almost pretty much a penny stock. It was in single digits, and all of a sudden it's a $250 name and issue, and some very few people, if any, held, mostly institutionals, but definitely not an individual trader, because there's so much going on day to day with those kind of stocks. And those stories where people just made a tremendous fortune of trading 1 or 2 stocks, you can chase that forever. You'll go broke more times than you'll ever make. And that's really one of those things. That's why you have to know not just how the markets work, which are important. You have to know what suits you, which is very important, Randy, and correct me if I'm wrong there. But you also have to know that what triggers a certain emotion or a certain click, because that's what we're doing now, is clicking to make the trade. What triggers you to do that? What triggers you to sit on your hands? What triggers you to sit back and go and say, I'm done for today. I'm going to go, as Mike, founder of MOJO, or MOJ, does, and he says, I'm done. Yeah, the MOJ. He quits, he shuts down the room, or he lets people hang out in there if they like, but he's gone. So I'd like for you to speak about that part in the day-to-day grind and hustle, because there is no one magic silver bullet formula that you or I can get rich tomorrow on, but over time, and you're obviously a great example of that, to be made if you do it smartly and, more importantly, slowly.
Exactly. Very well put, Alex. Kind of succinctly put, the key to successful trading would be what? ... The key to successful trading. Well, as I've learned, and now I've become keenly aware after trading with MOJO's Day Trading for the last 9 months, is number one, trade with your eyes, not your brain. You're watching that stock. You got 2 eyes, you got 1 mouth. You got to watch that stock. Next is you're trading with the volume. As long as you've got the volume becomes your friend. Trade the trend. Trade the volume. The moment that volume begins to dry, you're scaling out with your profits. Because at the end of the day, or as I've found, and I've been forcing myself to break my German work ethic, been forcing myself to do one thing, and that is, if you make a profit, you can't go broke. The MOJ is very good at that. He makes his money, guys, I'm shutting the room down. What's he saying? If you make a profit, you can't go broke. If you continue to trade, you continue to risk. If you continue to risk, now you might lose your profits. Don't do that. And he's taught that in MOJO University, which I paid for. I think it's the only thing I've ever paid for when it comes to stock stuff or stock related over the last 4 years. I paid for MOJO University, and knock on wood, it's paid huge dividends.
Mm-hmm. Well, I mentioned the tremendous success that you've had, and once again, I am speaking with Randy Schreiber, who is America's newest millionaire trader. He has been very successful doing a lot of other things, so he's been able to accumulate wealth, but more importantly, been able to accumulate understanding, knowledge, and education and experience, which he was able to roll into or parlay into what's becoming a very successful and obviously a bright trading career.
In the room, one thing that MOJ has done, and he does it brilliantly, and I apologize if I'm interrupting you, Alex. He does it brilliantly, better than any room that I've ever sat in or watched or listened to, and that is he plays this term called a magic number. Magic number is a stuff.
Magic number, Hines, just worked on Netflix right there. I hope you like that video with the $1 Million Trader with the mouse. I got my boy here right now. He's with me. Birdlow, what's up? Three 392.40 on Netflix. 392.40, great trade on Netflix. Yeah, he says it all right there. Great trade on Netflix right there. Bought that thing right down there through Hines at 390, 389.90 for the Hines. See it? Sold all the way up into 391.80. Now it's it's a 392. Yeah, he pretty much says it all right there in that video, huh? Had his back against the wall, took out 80 grand in cash advances, made $1 million on it with the Hines system. Never paid for education ever. Paid me $2,000 to coach him and teach him. And from there, now he's worth $100 million from that.
That's crazy.
Yep. And he's right there. OG Mouse in the room. I know you love him too. 393.80. 393.80 now on Netflix. What a great trade on Netflix. Yeah, great trade on Netflix right there. I saw that go by my screen with the volume right at the Heinz 400. Right, buddy? 393.80 on that. Hey, sit down, buddy. Sit down. Sit down, bud. Getting your hair all over the place. You want to get out of here? Go. Netflix, new high right there. Great trade on Netflix. 394.80 on Netflix. Absolutely. So, Yessie, what you think of the day today in the Mojo room? Not too shabby. Wasn't anything extraordinary, but it was a good day. Wasn't anything extraordinary, but it was a good day. Alan left a long time ago. He always does. It's amazing. That was a good trade on Netflix, boys. That was a good trade on Netflix. All right, guys, we'll end it on that great trade on Netflix. How about that? So let's end it for the day. I actually have to fix my chat connection.
Like, are you in for futures at 10:30 or 11?
11. I'm going to work on my webinar for like 45 minutes and stuff. So why don't we resume back at 11 a.m. Right here and in the trading pit, and we'll trade the futures. Sound good?
All right.
Nice.
Sounds good.
Sounds good, guys. So listen, keep it
You
profitable.
guys, hey, great work. Great work.